Stuttgart is a thriving economic region, one of Germany's most sustainable cities and a cultural center. Here, everything is buzzing with life. The Liederhalle Culture and Congress Center is situated at the heart of the bustling city center of this top 10 conference location. Since being rebuilt in 1956, this venue has become the focus of cultural life in Stuttgart. Up to 1,200 events take place here every year, including concerts, trade fairs, and conventions. 5 large halls provide plenty of space for large numbers of guests and all kinds of events. There are also 12 conference rooms and an exhibition area measuring 3,800 square meters that serves as a space for meetings and communication. Electronic guide systems show you the way to the right hall. Visitors are impressed by the individualized architecture and outstanding acoustics of our rooms. The cutting-edge technology integrated into this listed cultural edifice makes it the ideal venue for events. So does the efficient energy concept. Church congresses, medical conventions, award ceremonies, literary readings, classical concerts, comedy. One characteristic that distinguishes the Liederhalle Culture and Congress Center is the flexible utilization concept. The layout and seating plan can be customized. This means the rooms can be arranged in the best format for almost any event. The Liederhalle's practice team has an eye for all aspects of event planning and will help you facilitate your event. Our professionals make sure that everything related to project management, technology, and catering runs smoothly. With our support, your event is sure to be a success. We grant your culinary wishes in cooperation with the gastronomy team from the M.I.C.E Hotel in Stuttgart. From regional buffets of organic produce to individual menus, the hotel is also directly linked with the Liederhalle. With 555 rooms and suites, it offers a welcoming, exclusive atmosphere for all guests. The Bosch Areal is located right next to the Liederhalle Culture and Congress Center and the M.I.C.E Hotel Stuttgart. This is a Congress city in the city, with a cinema, a house of literature, shops, and a gym. Numerous bars and restaurants make it the ideal place to network and relax after the event. Further cultural highlights are provided by the award-winning State Opera House, the State Ballet, and various museums and galleries located just a few steps away. The Liederhalle Culture and Congress Center is situated at the heart of the city. This means it has ideal transport connections offering climate-friendly means of travel. The main railway station is 15 minutes away on foot. What's more, you only need 15 minutes to get to the Autobahn and 20 minutes to the airport. Our sustainable green events concept makes the picture complete. The Liederhalle Culture and Congress Center, the perfect venue for your event.